Seven angels with seven bowls in their hands poured out their bowls onto earth, onto sea, onto river, onto sun, onto throne of beast and Euphrates river and air. So subsequently, respectively, what were the result of that? Then wrath of swords came on who had the mark of beast, and sea turned into blood, river turned into blood, and angel was given power to scorch men with fire. And the throne, his kingdom became full of darkness. uh, it had dried up. Euphrates river had dried up, and it is done. Came out of heaven, and voice came out, it is done. So next, a woman sitting on scarlet beast. The beast is having seven horns and seven heads and 10 horns. Woman drank the blood of saints and martyrs of Christ. Woman resembles great city which reigns over the kingdom of earth. Seven heads of beast resemble seven mountains on which the great city reigns, and 10 horns of beast, 10 kings who have no kingdom, but they receive authority for 1 hour as kings with the beast. So, Revelation 18 and 19 chapter speaks that from heaven there was a shouting that Babylon is fallen because of its faults and mistakes. Babylon is fallen, the great is fallen. So, on a white horse, King of Kings and Lord of Lords, and his followers waged war with Beast and his army. Beast was defeated and was bound for 1,000 years in bottomless pit, and his army was defeated, and those who were martyred and didn't receive the mark of beast on their foreheads reigned with Christ for 1,000 years. The rest of dead did not live again for 1,000 years. This is first resurrection. Anyone's name not written in book of life was thrown into lake of fire. So then came the last chapters of Revelation, that is Revelation 21 and 22 chapters. Then John saw a new heaven and new earth, for the first heaven and first earth had passed away. He will wipe away every tear from their eyes, no sorrow, no crying, no pain, for the former things have passed away. Okay, the New Jerusalem was having 12 gates, each side of the direction, each west, north, and south had each three gates, totally 12 gates, and city had no need of the sun or the moon, for lamb is its lamp. So this is the cute revelation. Praise be to Lord Almighty.